Good morning, guys, and welcome to my morning routine. So the first thing I do when I wake up is go straight for the coffee. I usually make myself an iced coffee using the Starbucks Blonde Roast, but they were out of it this week, so I got this Khalifa version. It's alright, it's not my favorite. I definitely prefer the Starbucks, but it'll do. I like to make an iced coffee and I use the Nut Pods creamer. It's just supposedly a healthier alternative and I think it tastes really good. So now I'll kind of just chill with my coffee, check my emails, make sure I have nothing due for school, check my social media, which you guys should totally follow me on, by the way. I'll be actively posting on them, so definitely check them out. But today's Thursday and I actually don't have class, so it's more of a chill morning routine. I do have work later, so I'm just kind of having a chill day. I like to make my bed first thing just so that I feel a little productive and like I've done something. And then usually I'll end up cleaning my room, getting ready to go to the gym. But if I don't make my bed, I'll probably just lay in it all morning. So now I'm just picking out my outfit for the gym. I like to put on my outfit automatically, like right when I decide to go, just so that I don't back out. That usually does happen a lot, but I enjoy going to the gym. I like to go at least 3 to 4 times a week just to feel healthy and like clear my mind. Especially when I don't have class, it's the perfect opportunity to go and just unwind. Here is when I realized that it was raining and crappy out, so I changed into a long sleeve. Since I do go to the school gym, it's always really crowded. As you can tell, I could barely find a parking spot, but I didn't record myself working out because there's just too many people around. But if you guys are interested, I definitely will make a video in the future, but I'll insert a screenshot right now of the workout I did. I think I stole it from Whitney Simmons, but it was a really good one and I sweat a lot. After the gym, I like to automatically make breakfast to refuel. I'll either do oatmeal or eggs. Sometimes I do cereal, but usually it's those two. And today I did eggs. So I'm just doing a little bit of arugula, and then I mixed eggs with mushrooms, and then I'm going to top it off with some pico mix. I usually don't like eggs by themselves. I like to put a little bit of stuff in them just to give them more flavor. And after I shower, I like to use exfoliating pads with a micellar water to take off the excess dirt that didn't come off when I washed my face in the shower. And then I'll just use a moisturizer. I don't use any specific one. I kind of just use whatever I have. As for my everyday morning routine, I don't do anything too crazy. I'll always do concealer because I have really dark under eyes no matter how long I sleep. Usually I'll use the Born This Way concealer. I like that one a lot, but this week I was a little bit paler than usual because I haven't been self-tanning. So I was using an LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's actually like really cheap, but it definitely does the job. I definitely recommend if you're on a budget. And now I'll just use a face powder. The one I'm using is Max Fix Plus powder, I believe. Sometimes I'll use a BB cream, but I usually just do powder when I just want really lightweight. It just gives me color to my face, not much coverage, but it does the job for when I want to look a little more alive. And of course, I'll always use a bronzer. The one I'm using is the It Cosmetics bronzer. And it's really good and it kind of erases your pores. But I always use a bronzer just to liven me up and look like I've been in the sun when really I've been laying in bed all day. I feel like I always put bronzer on no matter what makeup look I'm doing. And as you'll see right here, another trick I have is when I don't want to do a lot of makeup but I want to look presentable, I'll put a little bronzer on my eyelids. It kind of just gives my face a little bit more dimension and makes me look overall tanner. And I have really long eyelashes, so I like to curl them. I always curl them before putting on mascara because it just looks better and more natural. The mascara I use is the L'Oreal Voluminous. It's an oldie but a goodie, and I always go back to it. And that's really it for this morning routine. It was a pretty chill day. I had work a little bit later, so I kind of just relaxed for the rest of the day. But I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.